This is the F-35A Lightning II. Here is why it exists. The military aircraft F-35A Lightning II Air Force aircraft attack by the Air Force aircraft attack by Air Force fighters tools for the Air Force supporting the United States Air Force, Lockheed Martin, the manufacturer. Weapons include 2 AIM-120CS, 2 GBU-31 JDAMs, and 125mm GAU-22/A. Both the maximum and lowest thrust for the F-135 PW-100 are 40,000 pounds. It measures 1,200 nanometers in size and travels at 1.6 Mach, 1,200 miles per hour. Before we continue, please like, subscribe and share my channel. The single-engine, single-seat F-35 will be made in 3 different versions: a conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) version for the U.S. Air Force, an aircraft carrier version (CV) for the U.S. Navy, and a short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) version for the U.S. Marine Corps and the UK's Royal Air Force and Royal Navy. For the Joint Strike Fighter to be both cost-effective and capable of previously unheard-of levels of lethality, complex criteria must be satisfied from the beginning. It needs to be able to perform well under adverse conditions, such as those seen on a battlefield. All of these different requirements from different services must be met without increasing the price of the F-35 JSF. Operators of the F-35A have a distinct advantage over their opponents because of the aircraft's cutting-edge sensor suite, which collects and disseminates more data than any fighter in history. In the future, the F-35 will be important for security, joint and coalition irregular warfare, and major combat operations because it has unbeatable computing power, an open design, strong sensors, information fusion, and flexible communication links. Most of the United States' current stock of tactical aircraft dates back to that decade, when several cutting-edge models were built. Aging aircraft and new dangers mean that all branches of the armed forces will have to phase out their present fleet of tactical aircraft. These issues are hardly exclusive to the United States. Related problems are brought to light by the Harriers of the Royal Air Force and Royal Navy. Many of the United States' closest allies are also affected by this crisis. The F-35 is meant to replace a number of older fighter aircraft, including the F/A-18 Hornet, the AV-AP Harrier and the F/A-18, the Harrier GR.7 and the Sea Harrier of the United Kingdom, the A-10, the F-16 of the United States Air Force, and the F/A-18 of the United States Navy. As a result of its stealth capabilities and other next-gen features, the F-35 will be the most advanced multi-role fighter in the world. The age of the fleet of tactical aircraft is increasing. The F-35 fighter jet is the answer to that problem. The F-35's ONS costs will be maintained to a minimum, and all versions will be acquired within their budgeted price range. Airstrikes that are pinpoint accurate and may be utilized in air-to-air combat anytime, anywhere. Low observable features are standard on every F-35.